Galapagos Islands. Welcome to one of the world's top dive locations, the Galapagos Islands. From open water and drift dives to night, cave, and wreck adventures, every dive here is unforgettable. With expert instructors, world-class safety,
and remember, check your air frequently and always stay close to your buddy.
And recognized certifications, learning here is easy for every level. And here, you'll witness rare encounters, from hammerheads to manta rays, and even the gentle whale shark. Don't just visit the Galapagos. Dive into